Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of dispute. Discuss something and argue about it. For example, he taught and disputed with local poets. The second definition of dispute. Be competitive. Win. For example, the two drivers crashed while disputing the lead. American pronunciation. Dispute. Dispute. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Dispute. Say. Dispute. Dispute means argue about. Dispute. Dispute. Dispute origin. Middle English via Old French, Latin disputare, to estimate, in Latin Late Latin to dispute, dis apart, plus putare, reckon. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The consultants are in dispute with the department over medical indemnity. Now, repeat after me. The consultants are in dispute with the department over medical indemnity. The second practice. Shifting weather patterns would prompt changes that could lead to international disputes. Now, repeat after me. Shifting weather patterns would prompt changes that could lead to international disputes. Visual representation of dispute. Dispute means discuss something and argue about it.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.